We don't have no time to sit down.
If you don't know if you hear the voice, it's your boy Gryzzly Bear. Yeah. Beer vibes, beer things. Yeah. Don't know Reggae Vibes Media, you know. Yeah, see notification bell over there, so yeah, just touch it up for me. Yes, so that one about Shano, you know, most controversial artist. You know what I mean? Would I say the underdog of dancehall? What would I say now? You know, there's so many things to say about Shano.
No stress, I was just a go. 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 Go home, copy it, get fresh, you just get paid. Look how hard you work every day. Know you get the chance, make we go copy highway. Find some party, make we go copy place.
You know what I mean? He dropped a couple songs, you know. Couple songs, not the recent, you know, from last year, not the recent months, you know what I mean? Dark Room and some other, you know, nice, well composed songs. And you know, comparing to other artists, you know, where just fling down lyrics and just write, you know, or put some words together and, you know, just work with the artist or work with the lyrical order and put the music together.
So, we don't want nobody can tell me nothing on me yesterday. One party and have fun. Cocky fat, fluffy door. And no care alone for look back. No stress, I was just a go. No stress, I was just a go. No stress, I was just a go.
Shano is the artist where when I hear them man, yeah, when I hear them youth, yeah, they hear literature. So you know, so them man they take in English at school deeply. You see me I say, cause them man sing with the grammatical orders. You know when you write, or you see the comma, or you see the exclamation sign, and the full stop. When them man sing, when them man DJ, sing.
And a good thing you never take a day off. I couple my friend when me get lay off. Never worry, cause me have a thing saver. So when me have to do work hard play.
You hear the exclamation. You hear the full stop, you hear the comma. You see what I say? You can identify the grammatical order where me use and execute the song. So, right now, you know what I mean, the youth make them know say him no right bass. Him no right bass. Them man they not deal with the lyrics. You know what I say? Him not go vent certain negative energies out there, and then him not go market himself or put himself out there to be seen a certain way prior to his lyrical context. Yeah? So the artist I make the world know say this is why. And I'm also make his fans know say this is why when you open the ears to me. Both yard and internationally. You know? But she have more like an international platform or broad base based on the type of songs that he sing. A lot of Jamaicans now listen, a lot of people now listen to them songs because they want to hear the Gryzzly song them and they want to hear the, you know, the certain type of context music. But she now make you know say, yeah, base them type of songs there for him. So he will never compose, you know, music like that and on that level. You know what I mean? To put out there in the market and, you know, on his platform. So big up to Shano, we are maintaining a positive vibration there. And I pray for us put some good music out there in the world and in the music industry. You see me? You don't know Reggae Vibes Media, you know. Yeah man, you need to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah. Because you know that would have made the team really appreciate of the whole vibration. You know, because of you guys were there. Uno make it possible. So we love Uno. Yeah, so would I really like, you know, one of them subscription there. If you're new here, if you already subscribed already, remember you have the bell over there, so you have like a notification bell there. Yeah, touch it up, forget the latest updates, yeah, on Reggae Vibes Media. So, Shano, let's go and put in the work in bro. Yeah man, we there listen. Yeah? I'm here alone in the dark room. Yeah man, them song there, positive. A whole heap of people go through them vibration, them energy, them more time and just to themselves. And have to just check themselves and deal with things for them own. Yes, I don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear. And I'm out.
begging you a favor. Like how the crowd look. Take it up. It's been a while sing no key. But like the gallery, all you brothers sing and say one another there. All you clap for the gallery. One chop. My eyes open the slum and they come and do some leech and I can't them and one do it go. This comes come, I'm at the wall and do it go. Fuck it, you run up and down and do it go.